Hey there, is Nuhi from Modulify. In today's video, we're going to show how to turn our sitemap that we just created into wireframes with just one click. It's really easy inside Modulify. Let me show you. Click wireframes on the top left-hand corner. Modulify will automatically generate wireframe based on your sitemap and initial prompt. It pulls components from our design library and fills the custom text, all in your selected language. To navigate the canvas, use your trackpad or mouse. You can zoom in and out, move around the canvas. This will help you explore the layout with ease and stay in control of your design. To update the layout, click on a section and hit the change button to browse components directly from our library. Want something fresh and unexpected? Hit the surprise me button. AI will swap a new section automatically for you. You can also update the content inside the section. Click on any of the text blocks inside the section to open the edit panel on the right hand corner. From here, you can enter or refine your prompt, hit generate text, and it will automatically fill the new content. You can also use the quick tools like rewrite, make it shorter, make it longer, fix spelling mistakes, improve writing, and simplify language. From here, you can create entirely new pages. Click on the create new page. You can either start from blank, manually add each section you want, or let AI do the heavy lifting by just adding a prompt. You can manage everything inside the page. You can copy section, remove them, paste them into different pages. This gives you flexibility to customize and reuse elements across your project. And boom, the wireframes are done. That's how easy it is to use Modulify. And if you thought this was cool, wait until you see the next video when we dive into the design and design systems. We'll see how to apply styles, change them, update them based on your preference, update the branding of the page, and much more.